So last year we were doing some research on non-alcoholic fatty liver disease and kind of how, in female mice specifically, how different sugars kind of affect the development of that disease. And then this year we've been doing DNA tracers.
We're working on synthetic DNA tracers, ultimately in hopes to replace the chemical tracers that are used in oil fields today. Those chemical tracers are really bad for the environment, and they just are leaving really harmful things down in the ground where they're being pushed into the environment to help with tracing. So these DNA tracers that we're making aren't going to be reacting with the environment in the same way, and they're a lot cheaper, so hopefully oil companies would be able to switch over.
It's just been a really great opportunity that I feel like if I'd been at a bigger school, I wouldn't have necessarily had. I like having the small classes because you get to have that same group of people throughout like your whole 4 years, and you do build a lot of camaraderie with them. And then also the smaller class sizes, you really get to build relationships with professors. Research specifically, I've gotten to know Dr. Comstock a lot better and gotten to spend more time with her. And then we also went to a research conference last week, and there's a group of like 14 of us. And I played sports in high school, and I feel like that's the closest I've had to like having a team again. It was nice to just be able to hang out and like fellowship and build those relationships and get to do it like with science. I came into college thinking I didn't like science. I started out doing business and was kind of like, I don't think this is for me, and then kind of ended up in kinesiology almost by accident, and then just really fell in love with it and just getting to learn about the human body. And I feel like it just makes me appreciate just God's creation and how complex everything is. So like just getting to learn about that, and that's really been a highlight for me.
The professors here are amazing. They absolutely have your back all the time, and they want to do everything they can for you to succeed, and they'll support you like no other college professor will. And it's just like probably one of the best places you could go to learn something, especially and just be challenged and be pushed, and they will find opportunities for you where you never thought were possible.